Guangdong Guanhong Intelligent Equipment Company Limited, established in year 2013, is a professional manufacturer, integrating research and development, production and sales, specializing in the complete set packaging production line, bottle unscrambler, bottle washer, dryer, filler, capper, labeler, and the other related equipment. We can customize the whole packaging production line based on your requirements. Our factory is located in Guangzhou city of China, covering an area over 7,000 square meter, which is the Gold Plus supplier verified by Alibaba Company. Our products have been used widely in food, medicine, chemical industry and other industries. We have over 20,000 users around the world. We now have a sales team of 15 persons, which can provide you with very professional solutions. Our company has established a strict internal management system to improve production efficiency. At the same time, we have a complete research and development, production and manufacturing system, as well as pre-sales and after-sales services. We've obtained all kinds of patent certificates since year 2013, what's more, we have CE certificates, ISO 9001 quality system certification and other qualification certificates. Quality and services are our permanent pursuits. Looking forward to cooperating with you in future.